Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to pair guys Wi-Fi network in your Vivo phone, so as you can pair it. And guys, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how to pair Wi-Fi network. So guys, now let's start the video friends without waste time. First of all guys, open your phone setting to pair Wi-Fi network. Guys, click on network and internet setting and guys on your Wi-Fi from this right side. So we will on our Wi-Fi. After that, guys, what will you have to do, guys? You guys first of all refresh and guys which Wi-Fi network guys you want to pair, guys. So I want to pair guys this Mukesh 5G network. So I will pair and guys I will enter password here. So I will enter password here. Guys, you can check your password from here and guys tap here to pair. Then it will pair in your phone and guys you can use your Wi-Fi network like guys YouTube like that, Instagram, WhatsApp like that guys. Without your mobile data guys you can use your YouTube like that app. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So it's now we will meet on guys next video guys with the topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.